Imagine the satisfaction of serving a nutritious, home-cooked meal that brings your family together. With chicken drumsticks and thighs, you can create quick and easy dishes like steamed herbal chicken, soy sauce chicken, and scallion oil chicken. You can turn tonight's dinner into a celebration of flavor and family. First, let's start off with the steamed herbal chicken. I have here 2 whole chicken legs, which I've separated into its thighs and drumsticks. Green onions cut into about finger-length sections. Ginger that I've sliced and cut into matchsticks. Red dates, goji berries, and a couple of slices of ginseng. This is optional. To prepare the ingredients, first, soak the red dates and goji berries. Then set them aside. Score the thicker part of the chicken so that the flavors can penetrate deeply into that chicken. Add in the green onions and half the ginger. We'll use the other half later. And a splash of water. The water will help the green onions and ginger release its flavor. Salt, white pepper. Massage the aromatics into the chicken. Give the ginger and green onions a little squeeze to help them release even more of its flavor. Then set it aside for 20 minutes or more. You can also store this in the fridge for up to 2 days as a meal prep. You just need to take it out and steam it when you're ready to cook. To cook, use a dish that has some height. Drain the red dates and goji berries. Then put them in the center of this plate, together with the ginseng, if you are using it. Cover the red dates, goji berries, and ginseng with a small bowl. Put the chicken around the sides. Then top it with the rest of the ginger. Put a pot of water to boil. Steam the chicken over medium-high heat for about 20 to 25 minutes. Remember to check the steaming water occasionally to make sure that it does not dry up. After 20 to 25 minutes of steaming, remove the ginger and chicken. Then, slowly remove the bowl. What you are left here is a very nutritious and flavorful chicken essence. Set this aside. When the chicken has cooled down, shred the meat into pieces. Arrange the chicken in the center of a bowl. Then pour the chicken essence onto it. Steamed herbal chicken, done. Cantonese Soy Sauce Chicken. For this, we'll need 2 whole chicken legs. Again, I've separated them into its thighs and drumsticks. Ginger, shallots. If you do not have shallots, use an equal amount of onions. Garlic, green onions that has been cut into about finger-length sections. Star anise, cloves, cinnamon about 2 inches in length. First, we need to brown the chicken a little. And to do this, dry the chicken. put your pot over a medium-high heat. Then add in some oil. When the oil is hot, fry the chicken with its skin side down. When you get a little bit of browning, flip it over and fry the other side till it's brown as well. When both sides are brown, remove the chicken. Now, in the remaining oil, fry your aromatics, which is the ginger, shallots, garlic, and green onions. This should take about 2 minutes or so. When your aromatics are fragrant, add in the spices, which is the star anise, cloves, and cinnamon. Fry all these for another minute or so. I've put in the spices later because they tend to burn a lot quicker than the aromatics. Next, add in the light soy sauce and water. Bring all this to a boil. Cover and boil this for about 5 minutes. This is to extract all the flavor from the aromatics and the spices. After 5 minutes, remove the aromatics. Add in some dark soy sauce. This is for the color. So put in more if you like it darker, or less if you like it not so dark. Add in some sugar. Then put in the chicken. The braising liquid should come up to about 2/3 the height of the ingredients. If there's not enough liquid, add in more water till you get the right height. Bring all this to a boil. Then reduce the heat to a simmer. Cover and simmer this for about 25 to 30 minutes. Turn over the chicken once in a while during the simmering process so that the chicken is evenly colored. After 25 to 30 minutes, there should be about a quarter of the braising liquid left in the pan, and the braising liquid would have thickened. If there's too much sauce left in the pan, turn up the heat and bring it to a boil. Boil it uncovered till the sauce reduces. Flip the chicken over a couple more times so that it's evenly colored. When done, remove. Chop the chicken into pieces and serve. Lastly, let's make Scallion Oil Chicken. This recipe combines the cooking techniques of the previous two recipes. The ingredients we'll need are 2 whole chicken legs. Again, I have separated them into their thighs and drumsticks. Green onions, cut into about finger-length sections. Ginger, cut into matchsticks. Onions, sliced. Oil. Goji berries. To cook, season the chicken with some salt. Place the chicken into a steaming bowl, then put about half the ginger on top of the chicken. Steam the chicken over a medium-high heat for about 25 to 30 minutes. While the chicken is steaming, prepare the scallion oil. In a pot over medium heat, add in some oil. When the oil is hot, it will be shimmering, or you can see slight bubbling. Fry the aromatics, that's the green onions, the rest of the ginger, and the onions. Fry all this till they are brown, about 10 minutes or so. Be careful not to take this too far. If there's too much browning, or if the aromatics are burned, you will get a very bitter taste and you will have to start over. When brown, something like this, remove the aromatics. Then, into the oil, add light soy sauce and dark soy sauce. Fry this for about a minute. Then turn off the heat. The chicken should be done in 25 to 30 minutes. To check, cut into the thickest part of the chicken. Check that the meat is no longer pink. There will be lots of chicken stock at the bottom of the pan. Remove the ginger slices. Pour this chicken stock into a bowl. Put in some goji berries and green onions. Chop the chicken up, or you can shred the chicken like in the previous recipe. Arrange the chicken on a serving plate and pour the scallion oil over the chicken. As you can see, turning chicken thighs and drumsticks into these delicious dishes is not only easy, but also quick and nutritious. If you love these recipes, make sure you check out my other videos for more quick and tasty meal ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.